story of Decro Pharma Private Limited is one of evolution, rooted in the unparalleled success of Red Sun Dichem, a name that resonates globally. Red Sun's products have left an indelible mark from the US and UK to Japan, Brazil and beyond, all under the visionary guidance of Mr. Rakesh Patel and Mr. Haresh Patel. It was Mr. Rakesh Patel and Mr. Haresh Patel's unwavering vision and initiative that propelled Red Sun Dichem to unprecedented heights within a mere decade. Inspired by this success, he embarked on a new chapter, giving rise to Decro Pharma Private Limited in 2020 in the vibrant city of Mehsana, Gujarat, India. Decro Pharma emerged as a beacon of innovation, a name synonymous with quality pharmaceuticals. Our journey began with a mission to provide reliable access to affordable active pharmaceutical ingredients, API, and drug formulations worldwide. Today, Decro Pharma stands as a global leader in creating cost-effective APIs and formulations, ensuring that people everywhere have access to safe and effective medications. Our product range is diverse, catering to a wide spectrum of healthcare needs. From non-sterile APIs to sterilization, lyophilization APIs, dry powder injections, to liquid injection formulations, we've got it all. Our state-of-the-art facilities, equipped with cutting-edge technology, are the backbone of our operations. We have dedicated units for API production, lyophilization, sterile production, dry powder injections, and small volume parenteral products. Our greatest asset is our team, with members boasting over 30 years of professional expertise. Our dedicated R&D team, QA, QC experts, and experienced staff ensure that quality is never compromised. We employ cutting-edge lyophilization systems to guarantee the quality and efficacy of our products. Our production capacity is nothing short of impressive. We can manufacture 1 lakh vials of dry powder per 8 hours with 60 lakh vials in respect to lyophilization per month. For liquid formulations, it's 240 vials per minute, and our API sterile production capacity is 1000 kg per month. Quality is our top priority. Decro Pharma adheres to strict standards, including Schedule M GMP, Schedule L1 GLP, WHO CGMP, EU GMP, and PICS guidelines. Our meticulously planned production process covers every stage from raw material processing to final dispatch. Our commitment to quality and safety is validated by our established system, process and documents as per GMP certificate. We are on a mission to save lives by producing essential antibiotics and medications that truly make a difference. Our storage system with 2 to 8 degrees Celsius provisions and stability studies ensures the integrity of our products. What truly sets us apart is our unwavering commitment to quality. Our facilities are constructed to meet GMP norms, WHO and EU GMP standards. We've rapidly expanded our footprint, exporting to countries like Bangladesh, Indonesia, Russia, and many others in the global market. Decro Pharma isn't merely a pharmaceutical company. It's a dynamic force for positive change in the realm of healthcare. Our dedication to innovation, quality, and affordability propels us forward. Together, we can shape the future of pharmaceuticals. Join us on this remarkable journey. Visit us decropharma.com to learn more and be a part of the Decro Pharma mission.